So how do you actually make high-quality B-roll using AI video tools and then turn that into content people really want to watch? Hey, I'm Raj, and today we're deep diving into the world of AI-generated B-roll because honestly, it can lift a video from okay to cinematic in a heartbeat. First, let's get on the same page about what B-roll actually is. Think of it as the footage you cut to between talking heads, like little details or environment shots that help tell your story without needing someone on camera. It is effectively your transition glue, your mood setter, and your drama booster. While AI makes this significantly easier, there are definitely some key strategies you need to keep in mind. The first rule of B-roll is that shorter is usually better. While many platforms let you generate 30-second clips, you rarely actually need that much length for a single B-roll cut. In practice, 5 seconds is the sweet spot for most professional edits. If you need more length for a specific narrative moment, go for it. But otherwise, stack multiple short clips for better variety. Now, let's look at the 3 main ways you can create this content with modern AI tools. First is text-to-video, where you simply type a prompt and the AI generates a brand new clip for you. Second is the image-to-video workflow, which starts with a high-quality still image that you then animate. And third is multi-element composition, where you combine various assets into a single cohesive motion graphic. Each of these methods has a totally different feel and a specific use case depending on your final project. Let's start with simple text-to-video, which is undoubtedly the fastest way to get assets. You type a prompt like a sunrise over a mountain town, hit generate, and suddenly you have a usable clip. The big thing to watch out for here is watermarks, so make sure you are using a plan that allows for clean, mark-free exports. Keep your prompts simple when you just need quick example shots, because complicated scenes often require way more trial and error. Next up is the image-first workflow, which gives you much tighter control over your composition. I like to create a set of images, wide, medium, and close-up, and animate them individually to create a truly cinematic feel. Just be prepared for the AI to hallucinate occasionally, giving you weird geometry or strange lighting, so generate a few variations. Then we have stylized image generators, which are absolutely killer for creating mood-heavy or artsy B-roll. Apply some subtle parallax or zoom motion, and you've got something that feels intentionally crafted. Now, let's talk strategy. Specifically, the 3-tier approach to building your B-roll montage. Always shoot for a wide establishing shot, a medium context shot, and a close-up detail shot to tell a layered story. Also, experiment with motion settings like slow pans or dolly shots, but don't overdo it. Too much motion can definitely break the realism of the shot, while too little can feel static and boring. One major common problem is motion inconsistency, where the AI causes unnatural popping as it tries to animate geometry. The best fix for this is sticking to slower, subtler moves that give the model less room to invent weird artifacts. Now, where does Vizard come into all of this? Especially if you want to avoid sounding like a commercial. Once you have your raw B-roll and your long-form video, you need to turn them into social-ready slices without wasting hours. Vizard actually handles the heavy lifting by detecting viral segments from your long-form footage automatically. It lets you import those AI B-roll clips, pair them with your main content, and format everything for TikTok or YouTube Shorts in one go. The auto-schedule feature is also a game-changer because it lets you queue up posts without babysitting a calendar. Having a central place to manage clips, add captions, and schedule means you stop bouncing between 5 different apps. Essentially, you are building an efficient loop. Generate your visuals, import them into the editing system, and distribute effortlessly. Let's look at a quick example. Generate a sunrise clip in one tool, pair it with a close-up shot, and let the system auto-edit the final piece. It turns the tedious manual parts of editing into a streamlined creative process that actually helps you reach your audience. B-roll matters because it shapes your video's pacing, adds mystery, and provides necessary emotional range to your storytelling. Don't let the technical grunt work stop you from creating. Use these tools to explore ideas fast and scale your output. If you have specific questions about prompting or integrating your workflows, drop them in the comments and we can tackle them next time.